At sa kabilang balita naman, Kissy Concepcion on unfollowing stepdad Kiko Pangilinan and sister Frankie. I unfollowed but I will never unlove. Family is family. Noong Miyerkules ng hapon, September 6, 2023, isang mensahe ang pinadala ni Kissy kay Boy Abonda na binasa ng TV host sa live telecast ng Fast Talk with Boy Abonda. May kinalaman pa rin ang mensahe o pahayag ni Kissy sa desisyon nitong i-unfollow ang social media accounts na kanyang stepfather na si Kiko Pangilinan at ang sister niya si Frankie Pangilinan. Hindi pa rin direktang kinukoy ni Kissy kung ano ang tunay na dahilan ng pag-unfollow niya kina Kiko at Frankie. Pero malinaw ang mensaheng pinili niyang unahin sa pagkakataong ito ang sariling kaligayahan. Bagamat in-unfollow niya sa social media ang stepfather at half-sister, hindi raw maaaring mawala ang pagmamahal ni Kissy sa mga ito. Ito ang bahagi ng pahayag ni Kissy tungkol sa kontrobersyal na usapin na kinasasangkutan ng kanyang pamilya. I have learned my place in people's lives and out of respect, I will not overplay my part. I am forever grateful to have experienced the love of a father through the experience of having a stepfather since I was 12 years old. I am sure hindi rin po perfect ang journey niya, but I know he's trying his best. I would like to believe na naging mabuting anak din po ako. Ako po ay hindi perfecto pero nagmamahal po ako ng totoo. However, this is the season of my life kung saan ang kaligayahan ko naman po ang pinapahalagahan ko. Hindi na ako bata. I realized po na life is too short. Sayang po kung aaksiyahin natin ang time with negativity. I just want the family to be happy and also myself to be happy. Yes, I unfollowed on social media platform but I will never unfollow the lessons I have learned growing up into a woman I am today. I unfollowed but I will never unlove. Family is family. Don't worry. Naniniwala naman po ako na we have enough love to overcome this. I have faith na somehow God will bring us all to a happy place one day.